Hi students, now let's look at question number 3 of page number 244, exercise 13.1. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. Question number 3. In the question it is given that a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. On a hemisphere, a cone is placed. Okay, this is the shape of the toy, and it's given that radius of the cone is what? 3.5. So that will be the radius of hemisphere also. Okay, radius is 3.5. So it's given that radius equal to 3.5. And also it's also given that the total height of the toy is 15.5. Please note that the total height of the toy is 15.5. So what will be the height of the conical part alone? What will be the height of the conical part? So for that we will subtract from the total height, we will subtract the radius of the hemisphere. Okay, that is total height is 15.5. From that we will subtract 3.5, so that we will get what? 12 centimeter. Okay, to get the height of the conical part, we will subtract the radius. This height of the hemisphere we will subtract. Okay, so we got h equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, and the final question is find the total surface area of the toy. So what will be the total surface area of the toy? Total surface area of the toy will be equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere, isn't it? So answer, TSA of toy will be equal to CSA of cone plus CSA, curved surface area of hemisphere. We know CSA of cone, the formula is what? CSA of cone, it is pi RL, isn't it? Pi RL plus CSA of hemisphere, that is 2 pi R square. Here the value of the value of L, slant height, is not given in the question. L is not given, isn't it? So we will have to find out that first. So we know that the formula we know L equal to root of h square plus r square. Please note down, to find out the slant height, this is the formula, L equal to root of h square plus r square. Okay, so that's equal to what? Root of h is given 12. So h square, 12 square will be equal to 144 plus r is given 13.5. So r square, that is 3.5. Okay, r is 3.5. So its square we need to find out. Okay, so 35 to 35 we'll find out first. That will be equal to what? 12.25. Okay, so that is what? R square. Now we need to add this, so we will get 144 plus 12.25. So that will give us what? 156.25. Okay students, now we will find the square root of 156.25. So here keep in mind, since it's a decimal number, we will go for long division method to get the square root of 156.25. Okay, so for that we know 156.25 to get the square root. Using long division method, we will pair it first, isn't it? This we have already studied in our previous class. So for that, 1 into 1 is 1, then subtracting we get 0. We'll take 56 down, so that is square, double of 1, that is 2. Now 22 2 into 2, that is 44, and 23 into 3 when we are taking, that is what, 69. So we'll take 69 is bigger than 56, so we'll take 22 into 2 is what, 44. Now subtracting, we'll get 12. Now we will take 25 down. So when we are taking 25 down, we will put the decimal there. Okay. Now double of 12, that is 24. Okay. Now we need to find out 24 into what. Okay. So 245 into 5. Okay. 245 into 5 will check. So 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 4, 20 plus 2, 22. 5 into 2, 10, 12. Okay. So we got 24, 242 into, sorry, 245 into 5. Okay. 245 into 5 is 1225. Okay. So here we got. So the square root of 156.25 is what? 12.5. This is the value of L. Hope you got. Now these values we will substitute in the formula. So the formula is what? Pi RL. Okay, therefore TSA equal to pi RL plus 2 pi R square. First of all, we will take the value pi outside the bracket. So that is pi into RL plus pi goes 2 R square will be remaining. That's equal to what? Pi into radius is what? 3.5 into slant height. We found it is 12.5, isn't it? Plus 2 into radius is again 3.5 into 3.5. Okay. That's equal to what? Pi into this. We need to calculate very carefully. So can you do it, students? 12.5. First, without decimals, we will multiply. Okay. So that is what? 12.5 into 3.5. So that is 43.75. And we will find the product of these numbers. So first we will find out 35 into 35. Okay. So 3.5 into 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5 somewhere we already found, right? Yeah, it is 12.25. Yeah. So 3.5 into 3.5, it is 12.25 into 2. Into 2, isn't it? So without decimal, first we will find. So 2 into 5, 10, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 1, 2. Okay, so that will give us 24.50. Hope it is clear. Two into 5, 10, 2 into 2, 4, 5, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, fine. Come on. Okay, now we will add this. So that's equal to what? Pi into this. We need to find, add 43.75 plus 24.50. 43.75. So this will give us 5, 12, 8, 6. That is equal to what? 68.25. Okay. So finally, pi into 68.25. That is what pi? It is 22 by 7 into 68.25. Isn't it, students? So for that, we will just multiply 68.25 into 22 first. So 2 into 5, that is 10, 2 into 2, 4, 5, 16, 12, 13, 1, 3, 6, 5, 0. So that is what? 0, 5, 11, 10, 5 and 1. So that is equal to what? 150, 150. Here a decimal will be there, isn't it? By 7. Okay, now finally we will have to divide this to get the final answer. So that is what 150 divided by 7. Okay, so 7 into 2, 14, 7 into 1, 7, 7 into 4 is 28, 7 into 5, 35, and 7 into 0 is 0. So the final answer is what? 21450. Okay, so that is 214.50 is the total surface area of the toy. Hope it is clear.